Okay, so I just found out about this tool called Cognee that can interconnect data streams seamlessly. That's wild.
Oh, really? What makes it stand out compared to other systems?
Well, it can pull data from over 30 sources using just Pydantic. That's pretty impressive.
Wait, so you don't have to mess around with tons of APIs? That changes everything.
Exactly. It simplifies the whole process of data ingestion. I mean, think about how much time that saves.
Right? It's like having a universal remote for your data. You just point and click, and it connects everything.
Totally. And you can manipulate the data while you're loading it, which is like multitasking for your information.
That gives me chills. I always felt data handling was this giant, messy pile. Now it's like a neat little package.
And the installation process is surprisingly straightforward too. You can just use pip, which is super accessible.
Wait, so even someone who's not a whiz with code can get this running? That's pretty empowering.
Absolutely. Plus, it supports Python versions from 3.8 to 3.112, so a lot of people can use it.
I love that. It's like they're really making it user-friendly. What else can it do?
It can build knowledge graphs. Imagine querying your data in natural language and getting structured insights easily.
No way. So you're telling me it can respond to complex questions about your data? That's incredible.
Right? It feels like we're moving towards a more intuitive interaction with technology. It really opens doors.
That's actually kind of scary too, in a way. How much can we rely on AI to interpret data?
I know, but the potential for innovation is huge. Think about industries that could benefit.
Exactly. From healthcare to finance, this tech could change how decisions are made based on data.
And because it's open source, the community can contribute, so it's always evolving. How cool is that?
That's such an exciting part. Imagine the creativity that will come from people working together.
Totally. It's like a collective brain evolving over time with everyone's input.
But it also makes me think about data privacy. How do we ensure our information stays secure?
Yeah, that's a crucial point. We need to balance innovation with safety. It's a tightrope walk.
Exactly. Finding that balance might define how this technology will be accepted socially.
And the fact that it lets you query in natural language means it's less intimidating for newcomers.
Right? It transforms users into explorers rather than just passive data consumers.
That's a huge mindset shift. It's like everyone can become a data scientist.
For sure. Imagine classrooms where kids can learn through interacting with data dynamically.
Oh, wow. That could really change education. Kids could decode real-world problems with actual data.
And this could help foster critical thinking from an early age. That's amazing.
Yeah. It's almost like giving students a superpower to understand their surroundings better.
So if we put all this together, it feels like we're on the cusp of a data revolution.
Exactly. And who knows? Maybe this could lead to more informed decision-making across the board.
That's the dream, right? More empowered individuals and smarter communities with better choices.
But wait until you hear what happens next. As the technology improves, the insights could become even more profound.
Oh, now I get it. So we're talking about future advancements that might even predict trends before they happen.
Exactly. That's mind-blowing. It's like having a crystal ball for data.
Right? But then the ethical implications get trickier, like predicting behavior.
Good point. Balancing prediction with the right to privacy will be the next challenge.
Definitely. It raises so many questions on trust and reliability.
Wow, this conversation has really opened my eyes. I never thought of data processing this way.
Same here. This is blowing my mind, and I'm excited to see where it goes.
So, what's the takeaway? Maybe it's that we're just scratching the surface of data's potential.
Exactly, and as we navigate this path, it's up to us to shape it responsibly.
Let's keep the conversation going. There's so much more to discover together.
Absolutely. I can't wait to dive deeper into this world of possibilities.